Hi guys, this is Jay from the Features Daily. With the pandemic sweeping the globe, demand for germ-killing disinfectants and gadgets is increasing. One of the most promising technologies to fight the spread of infectious diseases is ultraviolet light-emitting devices. In the past, these UV devices were mostly used in hospitals and labs. Recently, a new generation of portable germ-killing UV technology became available to the general public. Today, I'm going to review the Sterilize-X. It's a best-selling UV light sterilizer that uses ultraviolet light to eliminate germs like viruses and bacteria in closed spaces. The creators of Sterilize-X claim this device can destroy viruses and bacteria in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, car, and basically anywhere. To kill viruses, all you have to do is turn on the device and leave it for 30 minutes. We have this neat-looking Pringles-like box. Let's open it and see what's inside. Right. On the top, we have the device. What else? Okay, a charging cable and some instructions. That's a micro USB connector. A warning sticker about the UV light. The wattage is 2.5 watts, which is pretty standard. The device has an unfolding stand. That means you can place it pretty much anywhere. This is a very lightweight device that won't take much space. It's definitely something you can carry around in a small bag. Just to be sure, I've decided to conduct an experiment to demonstrate how well the Sterilize-X does its job. First, I swabbed my smartphone, and then using the same swab, I swabbed a clean Petri dish. I covered half of the Petri dish with a piece of paper, leaving the other half exposed to the Sterilize-X for 30 minutes. After 24 hours, half of the dish that was exposed to the Sterilize-X was completely clean. The other half was absolutely swarming with germs. My little experiment shows that Sterilize-X does its job pretty damn well. If you're wondering how light can kill viruses, consider how the sun's rays burns our skin. You've probably seen sunglasses and sunscreen advertising protection from both UVA and UVB light. The sun also emits a higher energy UVC light, but it doesn't penetrate the Earth's atmosphere, meaning Earth germs haven't had any reason to develop immunity to it.
UVC light's been used in hospitals for a long time, and it is very reliable and very fast to kill all known pathogens, bacteria, viruses, and superbugs is what it's typically used for in hospitals, concerned with viruses like coronavirus, Ebola, influenza, and norovirus are the big ones.
UVC does have some significant advantages over the chemical disinfectants we usually use.
Most of the time, if you look at the chemical disinfectants you have at home, if you read the fine print, they're only to be used in well-ventilated areas. They're only supposed to be used on hard, non-porous surfaces. To sanitize one of these surfaces, which is to kill bacteria, you need to leave the surface visibly wet for 10 seconds and then wipe it dry. To kill viruses, to disinfect, you need to keep the surface visibly wet for up to 4 minutes.
If you like the product I've reviewed, today you can get it with the Features Daily exclusive 50% discount. Just make sure you click on the discount link below. Stay healthy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Features Daily channel.